In this bottom line demo, you can see this display with an amazing performance, which you can speed the line production, you can slow, and also you'll be able to see the trend chart, the circular gauge, the center value, and especially the prediction of the anomaly models, which you say when anomaly happens, what was the value of the tag, and also the severity of the anomaly. And also in this demo we will cover the GPT FrameworX AI assistant that helped us to generate the tags. Also use the value simulator protocol to read the values from the field as simulated data, to publish this data to an MQTT broker, to historize the data in a SQLite database, and apply machine learning models to a specific tag. So let's develop the application. So here we want to create a solution that allows us to collect data from the field, publish it to MQTT broker, historize, apply some machine learning models, and display those values. So for that we are in Solution Center from FrameworX, and we create a new solution. Next, we select the Windows platform, the portable layout, which allows us to visualize the displays in different devices. We give some name and create the solution. And for testing purposes, we asked our GPT FrameworX AI assistant to make some tags for a bottom line demo, and it did it for us. We just copy the table, go to Unify namespace, and paste the tags. We also copy these tags, and now we need to collect data from the field. And for testing, we are using the value simulator, which will generate random values to those tags. So we go to the device points when that's created and paste the tags here. So now we are already collecting data from this value simulator. So now we need to publish this data to the MQTT. For that we go MQTT and create a new channel. We select the MQTT we just created and create a new node. Here in the primary station we can define what broker it has access to. So we are using the broker, the Hive MQ broker. We can test, it says that it's okay, and that's it. We go to the points and select the MQTT we just created. We insert the rows and we select it all so we can change it to right because we are publishing to the broker. That's okay. Now we can also organize this by node, and here we can see that we are collecting data from these tags, we are publishing to the broker with the same tags, and when we don't define the address, it uses the tag name. So okay, now we are collecting and publishing the data, so we can go to the historian to historize these tags, and just have to right click, insert those rows that we had copied, and it's already publishing the data to the table 1, which is a SQLite default from the FrameworX. And that's all you have to do to historize the data. So now let's add some intelligence here by going in scripts, in classes, and this is where we click in the new button and import the machine learning code from the library. So we just select and click OK, and it will open the code. Here you just have to edit anything and save this. And here are some instructions on how to use. And we can see that using this code here, we can call this method that will pass as a parameter the tag that we want to monitor. So we go in expressions, and create an expression with the tag we want to monitor and apply machine learning. So we are applying the machine learning model to the pressure tag, and that's it. We collect published data from the field to the MQTT broker, we historize this data and apply some machine learning to this tag. And now it's time to display these values. So we go in the displays, in the home display, and here we can drag and drop tags through these three here. So we can drag and drop and create a circular gauge. The same for speed, for example. The same for state and temperature. You could also use other objects. Now you save the display and we are ready to go. So we run the solution. And now we can see the values changing in real time. You can also organize by the layout changing to the mobile layout. Which you have it here. If you have more objects in the dashboard, it would create a scroll bar. You can also use the pad layout. And change back to the desktop layout.